You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this word in Spanish? Meaning either so, as in so good. It's also used as in as good as, for example. Alright, so let's hear it. Tan is how it's said. Pretty much like the word to tan in English, yes indeed. Tan, meaning so, as in tan bueno would be so good, or as good as would be tan bueno que mi mujer. Oh, that doesn't really make much sense, but anyhow, tan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.